Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Guys, in today's video, we are going to learn what a stock is and how it actually works. So stay tuned till the end because this simple concept can help you understand the world of investing. Imagine owning a tiny piece of Apple, Tesla, or Amazon, even if you don't work there. Sounds impossible, right? But millions of people do this every day through something called a stock. So what exactly is a stock? And how can a small piece of a company become worth thousands or even millions of dollars? Let's find out. A stock is a small piece of a company. When you buy a stock, you're basically buying a tiny part of that business. Think of a company like a giant pizza. Instead of keeping the whole pizza with one person, the company cuts it into millions of small slices. Each slice is called a share. If you buy one share, you own one small piece of that pizza. But why do companies sell stocks? Because growing a business needs a lot of money. Companies need cash to build new products, hire people, open new locations, and expand. Selling stocks helps them raise money from investors. Now, here's the interesting part. If the company becomes more successful, more people want to own a piece of it. When demand increases, the stock price can rise. For example, if you buy a stock for $20 and later it becomes worth $100, you can sell it and make a profit. But stocks are not guaranteed money. If a company struggles, loses customers, or makes bad decisions, its stock price can fall. That means investors can lose money too. People usually make money from stocks in two ways. First, by selling a stock for more than they paid. Second, through dividends. Some companies share their profits with their shareholders. The stock market is basically a place where people buy and sell these pieces of companies. Every day, millions of investors watch stock prices change based on a company's performance and future. So remember, a stock is not just a number on your phone screen. It represents ownership, risk, and a chance to be part of a company's future. Because when you buy a stock, you're not just buying an investment, you're buying a piece of a dream. Follow for more simple explanations about money, business, and the world around you.